I saw you on the beach as the typhoon rolled in. I destroyed your city, you're welcome. It was a piece of shit anyways. So I took your whole family and I sacrificed them to the eye of the storm. And it happened so quickly, the wind blew so quickly in my hair. And you stared at my glowing, glowing vein. It was too hard for me to destroy something so beautiful. I created out of nothing. 'Cause law of nature is reciprocation, and it happens so fastly does it regenerate. I'm nature 'cause I'm naturally speaking. You don't wanna see the darker side of me. And when it happens, and when it happens, and when it happens so quickly, you'll stop and say, oh, the nature is so beautiful. As an earth sign, I'll tell on every little thing you own and say, why isn't it mine? Because the human's natural inclinations to poeticize everything naturally here in the world. That's why we have astrology. And I'll go back to my birth chart and I'll show how we're compatible in the least likely ways. In the least likely ways. Nature improvises everything, but it happens so naturally. Bars for days, take me to the bar for days. 'Cause I'm a spiritualist and I know you want to get drunk with me. That's it. Yeah. I'm in a band with this guy. That guy is awesome. I love you, Malik. Bye.